little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 5, neighborhood services. So in this chapter, we will study about different neighborhood services. You all live in a community, right? And we have neighbors. आपके घर के आसपास आपके neighbors रहते हैं, right? They help us when you need them. So let's study about places around us. When we go around our neighborhood, we see different places. Right? When you go around your neighborhood, you see different places and what they provide us, different facilities. They play important role, like we have school, dispensaries, hospital, post office, banks, police station, fire station and bus stop. These are the different places that plays an important role in your daily life. First of all, as you all know, neighborhood services are essential part of our life. We should never do anything that harm what our neighbors. Now first is school. What it is an important place in our neighborhood and everyone goes to school to study over there. It's an important place whether you are living in cities, town or villages, everywhere you will find what school. So children from different families come to study in school. Children play new things, they learn good manners and they study different subjects in the school. So school is a temple of learning and different types of games can be played in a school. So these are the activities that we do in the school. And next is healthcare. If we talk about healthcare, what is health? Health is wealth. अगर आप healthy हो, तभी तो आपके पास क्या है? Wealth है. It means that good health brings happiness. Good health enables people to do their work well. To maintain public health, अगर आपको अपने public health को maintain करना है, तो it's a primary duty of the government. ठीक है? जो public health को maintain करने की duty किसकी है? Government की. Government क्या करे? हेल्थ सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करे पीपल्स को, चाहे वो विलेज के हों चाहे वो सिटीज के हों. एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज देयर इज डिस्पेंसरीज, दे वी हैव ओपन पीएससीज एंड गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स फॉर द पीपल. Dispensary, what it is, it's a small hospital, right? What it's provide you? Free treatment. Next we have public health centers, what we call them PSCs. You will see them. Where do we see PSCs? In the small villages and towns. People get vaccinated against disease, like the small children, the newborn baby after becoming 2 to 3 months old, he also get vaccinations like cholera, smallpox, typhoid and COVID virus. So in January 2020, as you all know, that coronavirus caused COVID-19 and that spread rapidly worldwide. And what it caused? Widespread disruption. Then we have hospitals. Everyone knows hospitals are found everywhere. Whether you are living in cities, towns, we have government hospitals in which we get free checkup. Right? Free treatment is done. Many doctors and nurses work in the hospital. What's the work of doctor? To examine the patient and give them medicines. Some patients are admitted on the hospitals when they are seriously ill. देखा, हम जब बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार हो जाते हैं, what doctor advises to get admitted in the hospital. Next place is market. Next place is market. So what is market? It is a place where they all go to buy new things. It can be big also, small also, right? So what we buy from the market? We buy fruits, vegetables, daily use things, right? And stationery material also. And a large building with hundreds of shops. We call it shopping mall. You may visit when you आप गए भी होंगे अपने parents के साथ shopping mall में, आपने देखा होगा. You must have seen that there are so many shops in that shopping mall. So shopping mall are usually found in big cities. They are air conditioner shops in the shopping. Then we have post office. It is also an important place. We collect postage material like stamps, postcards, envelope and post tickets from the post office. What we do? We drop our letters in the post box when you have to send any letter, and postman works in the post office. And the head of the post office is postmaster. Now, our letter and parcels are carried from one place to another in mail van. So we can send money through post office. And you can also send electronic money ordering. Then we have banks. Bank, which is important place, which serve as us in many ways. You can deposit your money over there, and what we kept valuable things in the bank. To keep them safe, bank also give loan to the needy people or interest, right? The people, those who don't have money and they need money, so the bank gives loan. Police station, large building in our neighborhood. Many policemen work at a police station. Police arrest the robber, thieves and criminals and they put them behind bars, right? The traffic policeman controls the traffic at the busy roads crossing. Then we have fire station. It is a place where many fighting materials are kept. So you can say that firemen remain on duty day and night. Whenever the fire breaks out in a building, the fire station is informed immediately. Firemen at once starts fighting fire with water using long pipes and high ladder. It is a dangerous job. As you all know, they risk their lives to save people and their property. Now, bus stop. What is bus stop? It is a place, as you all know, where many buses come and go. People stand in a queue at the bus stop to board a bus and they get off when the bus comes to halt. And what this conductor gives us ticket. So who controls the traffic at the busy road? That is traffic police. Right? This was all about the neighborhood services that I have told you. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.